guys, what's up? It's your boy Magnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Look at Me by Why Don't We. Alright, I'm gonna try to play this as accurate as possible. It's not really the typical guitar song, but yeah, we can do this. So we have a D minor. Alright, that's the bass chord, and how we're playing this is we're opening on, okay, that's the first string. To play open 1, open 1, open 1. So you pluck strings 4, 3, 2, and then you go. Alright, so pluck, open, 1. Okay, so pluck, open, 1. But what I want you to do is when you go to 1, you play the bass for F also. So that's. Now that's an A minor, which we're only plucking strings 5, 4, 3. Okay, so if you can shift instead of hammering on first fret, you can play the whole F, okay? The whole F major chord. So that would be. Alright, that's the first part of the song, and then there's a part where they change to and that's basically G minor. G minor is E minor in fret number 5, and then you got 3rd fret. So G minor, and then you play this open string, which should be an A minor. No, it's actually, nope. Okay, so G, and this is a B flat. So if you can, again, play the major chord. So and yeah, back to A minor, which is the concluding chord. But yeah, that's basically it for pretty much the whole song. It changes here and there, so you can tell which part goes where. But yeah, if you're not familiar with the chords that I'm using here, you can check out my chord video. It's on this channel. I will leave it in the description below. So learn the chords and then play the song. Have fun. You guys subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.